Apples come in a wide variety of different flavors and textures, including McIntosh, Gala, Fiji, Granny Smith, Golden Delicious, Pink Lady, and many more. So pick up a few different varieties the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market and give them a try. Remember to always give your vegetables and fruits a good rinse and scrub with plenty of water before grating. To prep an apple for your GraterMan Grater, place it on its side with the stem facing away from you on your cutting board or work surface. If you roll it around a little, you will find its natural resting spot. Now taking your knife, cut the apple in half long ways from stem to end. If you're a little left or right of the center, don't worry about it. Next, take one of your two halves, turn it cut side down, and cut it in half. Then turn one of the halves away from you, and using your knife, you want to cut down the stem and circle around the core. Do the same with the other half. Cut down the stem and circle around the core. You now have coreless apple quarters that are ready to grate. But if you're really craving speed, apples are one of those great fruits you don't have to prep if you want to get right down to business. Freshly washed, you can take apples directly to your GraterMan Grater. Just be mindful of the core in the middle, which is perfectly edible to eat, and you can grate off as much as you like. So there you go, prepped apples ready to grate. And remember to check out the notes section below for additional information, resources, and links that you may find helpful. Now go grate some apples.